Senizwile iy'ndaba zabadlali bePolokwane City abawu-2 Osuna Police noMatolodi. They are going to join Orlando Pirates. Singakhuluma le ndaba le kuma-videos sengawenza adlule. Yabo Osuna Police ngenzeka ayijoyini Orlando Pirates bekanye benoMatolodi. Yabo ngangithi bazo-announce last week. Ngangithi bazo-announce ngaleli sonto esiphuma kulona. But bekunama-pushback akhona yabo kule deal le. Because abadlali actually umdlali Osuna Police. Umdlali Osuna Police uthando lwakhe Kaizer Chiefs. Nyazi nonke Kaizer Chiefs, one of the biggest teams in South Africa. Yabo uthando lwakhe Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke i-team iyona ke edayisa umdlali. Yabo awukwazi ukuyikhethela ukuthi ufuna ukudlala yiphi i-team because i-team oyidlalelayo iyona edictator ukuthi uzoya kephi. Yabo kuya ngokuthi uba ukhipha imali. Kaizer Chiefs ayimfuna umfana but-ke ayikwazanga ukukhipha imali because awukwazi ukuyikhipha imali for Osuna Police bekanye benoMatolodi. Yabo kuthiwa ngenzeka abayijoin Orlando Pirates akuleli sonto noma leli sonto esizoliqala kahle kahle. Yabo leli sonto nje esizoliqala ngenza aba-announce. Yabo so into engizama ukisho la Osuna Police, i-deal ka-Osuna Police inama-stipulations akhona. So i-deal ka-Osuna Police kuzobe kubekwe imali engango-15 million yaphezulu nomdlali ngaphezulu. Yabo imali nomdlali. Inkinga kila asazi ukuthi ubona muphi umdlali Orlando Pirates ezomfaka kule deal le. Yabo abakayi disclose leyo information leyo. Yabo but uma ubheka isquad se-Orlando Pirates nje asisiningi kanje ungahlanganisa nawo, uhlanganisa amadots ubone usikahlahla ubani ongajwayele ukudlala and lo muntu ongajwayele ukudlala udlala kanjani, angahamba yina uyijoyina le team le iPolokwane City. And uma ubheka isquad se-Orlando Pirates right now, lo mfana lo indaba ithethwa Ndlondlo sengakhuluma ngayo before. Indaba ithethwa Ndlondlo ngiyenzeka ayishiya Orlando Pirates. Uma ubheka indaba ithethwa Ndlondlo ne-contract yakhe naye isiyela ngokuyophela. So angazi, for me I think uyena ozo-edwa kule deal le. Ungangibhalela kuma-comments ungitshela ukuthi uba wena ongafuna edwe kule deal. Ngibathanda bonke abadlali be-Orlando Pirates but uNdlondlo I feel like uyena mdlali esingazama ukusacrifice yena kule deal ka-Osuna Police because Osuna Police bafethu is a good player, plays for the national team, he score goals for national team and angafike a-ede i-depth rights kakhulu kwisquad se-Orlando Pirates. Yabo kuma-wingers sifuna ukuba nayo uVieira lo, sibe nayo uOtladis ukwiloni, sibe nayo lo mfana lo uNkota, sibe nayo Saling, sibe nayo uMfokeng, mase siba nayo lo mfana lo Osuna Police. Yabo ama-winger awu-5 lawo. Yabo adlala wonke lawo ma-winger lawo. Yabo so I feel like uzo-eda something edingakalayo ku-Orlando Pirates. Uzo-eda i-depth njengoba siyale futhi kwi-CAF Champions League uzosinikeza leyo power leyo ukuthi sikwazi ukushintsha abadlali abantswempu. And another player bengilo ngiyibona nje le ndaba leya lo mdlali. Yabo bengafuna ukuyi-entertain but uPasadine uthi Orlando Pirates are working day and night to secure his signing. Yabo akusiyona Orlando Pirates kuphela, ungizwe kahle, akusiyona Orlando Pirates kuphela. I-team njenge Kaizer Chiefs ngizwele nayo ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs yamfuna uPasadine but Orlando Pirates they are working day and night to secure his signing. Inkinga ilana-ke salidinga i-left back ku-Orlando Pirates. Angifuna uqala manga, we do need a left back because we have Hoto who is a left winger, not a left back, but he plays better when he plays as a left back. Mase siba no Marco. Yabo uMarco uyi-natural left back. Mase siba nalo mfana lo Umayela was a left back before but he was converted into a center back. Yabo so you cannot really trust Umayela as a left back that much. Yabo so we really do need a left back ekwazi ukudlala. Yabo nje angazi mangiyayenza in a sense, we do need a left back and uPasadine is a good fit for that position because he used to play with Van Rooyen. If you remember Stellenbosch last season was very deadly with the two white backs wabo okuVan Rooyen ngala ka right mase kuba uPasadine ka left. Yabo so dla ngabo nje phambili. So labadlali labo bawu-2 yabo bangayisiza impela Orlando Pirates. Mase omunye umdlali futhi angifuni ukuyi-entertainer leya ka Jayden Adams. Yabo Jayden Adams is a good player and we need more signings azosiza center. Ngiyayibona Orlando Pirates lokhu isayina ama-forwards, isayina ama-winger but I think kumele si-investe kakhulu lapha center. I know sinabo uMakihleni Makhaola, I know sinabo Mbatha, I know sinabo Raseboja, yabo bakhona uTshobeni, but I think we need to invest kuleya middle leya. I-center yethu ayinayo le quality esiyitshela ukuthi sinayo thina. Yabo angazi noma ngiyayenza in sense. Uma ubheke nje kwi-center yethu asinayo le quality esiyitshela ukuthi sinayo because 2 of those players abadlala lapha center ngenzeka ba-retire soon. Yabo okuMakihleni Makhaola benomigol team ngeza abayishiya Orlando Pirates because neminyaka yabo uyayibona nje iminyaka yabo. Yabo so kumele si-invest center as Orlando Pirates kumele izame uku-invest esenta sithola abadlali abazisiza, and uJayden Adams angaba a good fit, but ungakhohlwa uJayden Adams akusiyona Orlando Pirates kuphela emfunayo, even though Orlando Pirates ibona abantu engenza abamsayini, but ungakhohlwa iSundowns nayo iyamfuna lo mfana lo njengoba beya kwi-Club World Cup nje. Keep in mind, baya kwi-Club World Cup, they would need to sign quality players, more quality players to help them survive leya Club World Cup leyo izodlala next year, yabo. So hlanganisa 1 no 2, but ke ngajabula umfana manje sesikwazi ukumthola. I'm not saying we don't need uJayden Adams, we don't need uJayden Adams, but ngajabula simthola, yabo. So ungangitshela wena kuma comments ukuthi ngabe sizokwazi nokubathola labadlali laba, yabo, because i-deal osuna police benamatoloti, it seems like lo deal leyo isi finished. Orlando Pirates isiba securile, sekulindwe nje ba announce, but leya Basadini maybe naleya Jayden Adams are they likely to join Orlando Pirates noma nje ama-rumors nje acirculatayo angathi sure, yabo. But Orlando Pirates njengoba ifuna uBasadini ifuna uku-eda kule squad esidlala kwi-Champions League, sibe ne-squad esiqinile, yabo, because maningi ama-team anzima esubhekana nawo kwi-Champions League, yabo. Ungangitshela ama-comments wena, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe uVane Sports lo bafethu.